ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Chandraghanta. Ma Chandraghanta, the third form of the nine powers of Ma Durga, is worshipped on the third day of Navratri. She is called Chandraghanta because of the crescent moon on the head of the mother. Mother's body is as bright as gold. She is mounted on a lion and holds different types of weapons in 10 hands. Ma Chandraghanta is ready for war, and the raging sound emanating from her bell frightens the asuras. The worship of Mata Chandraghanta provides spiritual power to the seeker. On the third day of Navratri, the worshipper who recites Durga Saptashati by worshipping Mother Chandraghanta gets fame, respect in the world. Mother's form is very gentle and full of peace. The communication of valor, fearlessness, as well as gentleness and humility in one who worships him develops the quality of Kanti in his face, eyes, and entire body. The tone becomes divine and there is a supernatural melody in it. With the arrival of his devotee, there is the communication of happiness and peace in the environment. There is continuous radiation of divinely luminous atoms from the body of the seeker of Ma Chandraghanta, which is not visible with ordinary eyes, but the worshippers and the people who come in contact with her experience it. Chandraghanta is the third incarnation of Ma Durga. Due to the R-shaped crescent on the forehead of the goddess, she is called Chandraghanta. Mother is called by the name of Chandraghanta because of wearing an hourglass-shaped crescent on her head. This form of mother riding on her vehicle lion is ready to fight and destroy the wicked. Chandraghanta Mata is also called the goddess of voice. This form of the third power of Ma Durga is extremely peaceful and benevolent. That is why it is said that we should continuously do spiritual practice keeping in mind the holy deity. The meditation is beneficial and will result in salvation. According to Hindu scriptures, when the war between the gods and the demons was going on for a long time, then the lord of the demons, Mahishasur, conquered the gods and snatched Indra's throne and himself became the lord of the heaven. Seeing this, all the gods were very sad. After being expelled from heaven, all the gods went to Tridev, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh to get out of this problem. Going there, all the gods told God about the atrocities committed by the demons and the snatched rights of Indra, Moon, Sun, Vayu, and other gods. The gods told the supreme god that due to the atrocities of Mahishasur, it has become impossible to roam in heaven and on earth. Then Brahma, Vishnu, and Lord Shiva, Shankar, became very angry on hearing this. At the same time, an energy was generated from the mouth of all the three gods. The energy released from the bodies of the gods also got mixed with that energy. This energy started spreading in all the 10 directions. Then a girl was born there. Then Lord Shankar presented his trident to the goddess. Lord Vishnu also gave her a chakra. In this way, all the gods gave the mother different weapons. Indra also presented his thunderbolt and Eravat elephant to the mother. Surya gave his brightness, sword, and lion to ride. Then the goddess came to the battlefield with all the weapons to fight with Mahishasur. Seeing her huge form, Mahishasur trembled with fear. Then Mahishasur asked his army to attack Ma Chandraghanta. Then the goddess destroyed the armies of the demons with her weapons. In this way, Mother Chandraghanta killed the demons and disappeared, giving protection to the gods. This was the story of Ma Chandraghanta. All those who are listening, please say with me, Jai Ma Chandraghanta, Jai Ma Chandraghanta, Jai Ma Chandraghanta, Jai Mata Di. Please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Jai Mata Di.